Hello everyone. I still remember humble self, Chukwoka Obelago, and I'm addressing the Billion Coin community. I'm really excited. I'm really excited. Thank you, TBC admin. Thank you once again. All this while I've been promoting TBC, people don't realize that I don't have a send button. Okay, I had to partner with trusted sellers in order to be able to make some extra cash from TBC. You get what I'm saying? But that's not my primary concern. My primary concern is for us to get to 1 billion members. And now that the admin is ready to turn on 1,000 send buttons, he now use video testimonials as a criteria to choose those 1,000. And after all, you have to also put your TBC wallet email address and also your Facebook account link. Okay, and as I'm speaking to you right now, I'm doing this video from my TBC wallet on the Billion Coin app, and as you can see now, I have my send button. Hooray! Okay, I'm really excited. I'm really excited. It's a great mileage. One thing people don't understand is that the admin has never gone, how do I call it, has never gone back on his word. He might adjust because of unforeseen circumstances that might be on the way, but we are moving forward every step of the way. We are moving forward, okay? And and for most people who don't really understand this, okay, they feel somehow that they are being asked to do testimonials videos for them to have their somebody stand on. But they forget, they don't go and read the blog to find out the reason why 1,000 is being considered for now. They don't realize that this current coin network is being tested. And because it's stable enough, the admin wants to test 1,000 send buttons prior to us migrating to the new new coin network, to the new coin network. And after the migration to the new coin network, everybody's send buttons will be turned on. Okay, and testimonial videos will not be used as criteria. Okay, and testimonial videos will not be used as criteria. So you guys have to get your acts together to really understand what is really going on, because some months ago we were not able to even do transactions. Okay, till Bitcoin Random, after the series of work, technical issues, servers and the rest of them, Bitcoin Random was first to do transaction before the 100 leaders we were giving access, and now 1,000. And gradually, prior to the coin network migration, the admin might turn on more send buttons. But send buttons is something that everyone would definitely get after the coin network migration. But for now, we have to rely on, okay, we have to rely on the step by step, the batch by batch process of turning on send buttons till the coin network migration occurs. Okay, so I require you guys to have more patience and understand that this is a development process. When it comes to cryptocurrency, it's an ongoing process. Too many body parts shifting, and at the same time, the technology is something that is new, that you need to have patience in order to put things in order. Okay, so now that I'm done with explaining this to you guys, I want to show most of you out there who have gotten your send buttons or who are yet to get their send buttons what the condition is like. Okay, for us to realize that the current coin network is not perfect. It's just that the admin wants to give more people the opportunity for them to leverage, to be able to start doing transactions, selling TBC, partnering and doing 50-50 transaction, commission transaction and the rest of them. So I'm going to go straight to my mail, okay, to read the mail that was sent to by the commissioner, I think the commissioner for the TBC police. Okay, so all right, so in this is the email notification I received from the commissioner of TBC police. Okay, so I will just go ahead and read this for you guys to understand that this is serious, that it's more than just turning on the send button. There are rules to abide with which can get your send button deactivated if you disobey them. Okay, so I'm going to start by I'm writing to inform you that your send button has been turned on and you have been made an active trusted seller. Discounting will be investigated and you will lose access to your send button immediately if it's found not to be in compliance with the TBC daily price. Take your time, do the maths, get it right. You are given this opportunity as a privilege and it can be removed if you do not follow the instructions here. The daily price is at the billioncoin.info site. It changes daily, so always to check to ensure you are sending the correct amount. Any and all transactions are subject to review and investigation. Failure to comply with the investigation will result in loss of the privilege. Failure to follow the instructions will result in the loss of the privilege. Failure to provide TBC at daily price will result in loss of privilege. There are a few items you must adhere to when sending TBC. The state of the coin network requires that any recipient of TBC have a new web wallet address. New registrations since November 2017 have new wallet addresses and you can use those without requesting a new web wallet address. There is a trusted seller portal at the billioncoin.info. You must first log in with your registered account using the email address that you received this mail on. There are two important items of importance. One, search trusted sellers. You can check if your buyer is a trusted seller, active and paid member of kringle.cash, or get their web wallet address by searching their email address. You can also search their web wallet address and get their email address. Number two, request new wallet. This function is critical. You must always first request a new web wallet address for any member who joined after November 2017. That means before November 17th, before November 2017. Any member older than that will have an old web wallet address and your transaction will not be received if you send to an old wallet. Simply fill out the form with the email address of the buyer and submit. You will then need to come back 24 hours later and your request will be completed. When complete, you will see the new wallet address as shown. If you come back and your request is not yet complete, you may have to wait a little longer. It's very important that you receive a new web wallet address. If you are unsure of their date of joining, simply request the address anyway. If you see no wallet found, then the email address was not registered yet. You can have the member register, and any web wallet that they give you at that time will be a new wallet. If you don't see a new web wallet, a new wallet address, wait until it says status is complete. If you receive an error, it may be that someone has already requested this email address, or you have already done so. At that time, check the trusted seller search. Please note, if the wallet address that is returned as completed matches the same wallet address your buyer has given, then their wallet address is new already. In trusted seller search, you can enter an email address or a web wallet address. The following will be returned. Okay, the user's old address and the new wallet address. The old address does not have an asterisk sign in the RCV column. Please read the instructions on each form. Please note, as a trusted seller, this is an important responsibility for you to ensure that the recipient has a new wallet address and you send to that wallet. Any transaction sent to an old wallet will fail and will require support to clean up that wallet. When sending your transaction, only send it once and make sure that your sent transaction has a confirmation status of complete before sending another. Ideally, start with 10 to 15 minutes in between transactions. All transactions are subject to investigations for any amount, any frequency, and at any time. Mistakes and errors happen, we understand, but repeated mistakes will result in the loss of this privilege as well. Lastly, this email address is the investigator of TBC police. This is not support, and support emails will not be answered here. If you had any question regarding any email sent by commissioner at the billioncoin.info, you may reply and expect an answer, but this address is not used for support or sidestepping the support process. Thank you. Be smart, and thank you for your support of TBC. Okay, Office of Commissioner TBC. So guys, this is it. Okay, this is the email you will receive when your send button is turned on. Okay, and I believe this load of work that is here is a responsibility, because one, we are moving to the new coin to the new coin network very soon, and they are already, and for anybody who wants to do transaction, for anybody who wants to buy TBC from you, they ought to have a new web wallet, such that they don't lose their coins during the coin network migration. Okay, so it's very important that you understand this. These rules are very important. No discounting. You have to obey the rules to the core. Okay, it's a responsibility for you to have a send button. So guys, this is it. Okay, this is it. If you are interested, okay, if you are a member of TBC and you're here to have your send button, please do not be discouraged. Okay, do not be discouraged. Keep promoting TBC. I didn't have send button. I wasn't among those who their send buttons was turned on earlier, and I'm glad I'm part of that, and I understand how you feel, but don't let how you feel prevent you from promoting TBC. Okay, educate yourself about cryptocurrency, understand the economics around abundance crypto and abundance coin, and the likes of Bitcoin and the rest of the market driven coin. Educate yourself such that you can be able to understand the direction TBC is going. And I want to thank the TBC admin for sticking to his word. He has never turned back on his word. Rather, he has adjusted to any challenge he is facing, or we are facing, and moving forward from there. Okay, so guys, this is it. If you want to partner with me, okay, to earn commission, okay, to earn 50% commission when you refer someone to buy TBC from me, you can simply go ahead and send me an email to the email below in the description of this video. Okay, let's talk, let's have a partnership. I can leave a link to a WhatsApp group, okay, where I can create for partners who can refer members, and we make money together. Okay, so if you're interested in making money with TBC, hit me up, join the group, or possibly write me an email and I'll respond to you. Okay, let's keep promoting TBC. Okay, I love TBC, I believe in TBC, and I believe in abundance coin. So you are coming your way next time. I still remember humble self, and I hope I left you excited about the future, the coming future of TBC. Take care, be strong, be focused, and be educated. Take care and be informed, most importantly. And also, most importantly, download the Billion Coin app. Download the Billion Coin app. Download the Billion Coin app. Take care and bye for now.